Hey y'all, this is Mattie from Mattie's Kitchen. I'm outside just looking at my beautiful grass. I'm so happy I'm out here. The weather is so nice. It's 76 degrees. And the reason I'm happy, I almost to get 60,000 subscribers. I need probably about 30 more, and I feel so wonderful. I love the comments. I hope this truck is not interfering with y'all. I love the comments. I just like it. And right now I'm just walking out here. I'm so happy just looking at my flowers I just planted too. I won't be cooking today, so I'll be sharing my flowers with you all. And I planted these. This is about 3 weeks of growth. And they look. I just love flowers. Y'all know that. All the ones who have looked at me, have viewed me, know that I love flowers. Now here's this is the purple one is a Noah in the boat. That yellow one is a marigold. And here's these are zinnias. Those purple ones are zinnias, and those are colas, other zinnias. And I just go what I do is, other people probably don't do that. What I do is I just go into the store and just look at the most beautiful flower they got. As long as they'll take sun, I just plant them. I don't care. Sometimes they always come out really good. I don't put them no kind of form or order. I just plant them, stick them in the ground, and they always come pretty. I'm pretty good with arranging flowers, and I just love them. As long as they're pretty and they'll take sun, I'll plant them. Okay. And like I say, I'll be putting out some more videos. I asked the people in my comments, I asked them what they wanted me to cook, and they told me. Some of them, they commented on what they wanted me to cook. Now here's my well that I planted. These gonna be beautiful. I put a lot of flowers in, I put a lot of ones in there. I don't throw anything in there. As long as it takes sun, like I say, and they'll last the whole summer. Cause I plant mine every year. I don't like perennials, the ones that come back. I just like to put them in the ground, because like Forrest Gump say, it's like a box of chocolate. Sometimes those flowers do not come back, sometimes they do. Sometimes they come every year, sometimes they might skip 2 years. So, and I like to see mine all year. Isn't that beautiful? And you see that bush in the middle, it had some pink flowers on. It was so beautiful, and then they went away. Normally, I don't buy flowers that I want them to bloom the whole year. I don't like the ones that come back when they want to. So these are my zinnias. Aren't they pretty? The orange ones, the purple ones. There's the white ones. And this cannon, they just come up anyway. If you don't want to be worried with them, do not plant them, because they're going to come back. And most time they root very well in the ground. They have other roots, thousands of roots. So when you plant a cannon, they will be coming back. And this is a snapdragon here. Here's some more zinnias, and that's white zinnias. I like those. And I think the purple ones are so good, so beautiful, and they do come back. Sometimes the purple ones, they do sprout roots sometimes they don't. Now this flower right here, I never seen it before. I just bought it. It's a ping pong flower. Have you ever heard of that? And those look how pretty they are. They're getting big. They're all different colors. I think I see about 4 different colors on here. So check it out. It takes sun and water. And this is how pretty that purple one is. Look at that. I got them all. I just put them in here and hope they grow. Most time they do. You see all those cannons, how those roots are coming? I got to pull those up, dig them up. But it's a lot of work. Okay, see that purple one? Look how beautiful that is. I just plant them. I hope you all enjoyed my little presentation. What I'm doing, like I said, what I video for is that thank you once again for subscribing to me and helping me reach almost 60,000 subscribers. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.